If your microphone is not working on OBS Studio, what you need to do in this video, I will show you that. So very first, you just need to select settings option. So after select settings, you can find some option. You simply select audio. After select audio, here you can find mic or microphone option. Here you can see this option is disabled or any other option here is showing, but it's not showing on your microphone. So make sure before do these settings you connect your microphone on your PC. So after connect, here is showing I connect my DJI mic mini microphone on my PC. Here is showing, so I simply select it. So after select, then okay. Right now here you can see microphone label working. So in this way you can very easily solve your microphone not working problem on OBS Studio. Thank you everyone for watching this video.